Europe once ran on slow systems. Cities were isolated. Trade moved by horse and cart. Gold crossed borders reluctantly, and information traveled even slower than money. Every region lived in its own financial bubble. Markets guessed instead of knowing. Governments reacted late. Risk was everywhere, and trust was fragile. This world didn't fail because people were bad at finance. It failed because the system itself was slow. Then, in the middle of this fragmented world, one small change began quietly. In Frankfurt, a modest financial house stood apart, not because it was large, but because it thought differently. Instead of building one powerful bank, the family built connections. 5 paths extended outward, 5 cities, 5 points of presence. What mattered wasn't size, it was speed. Private couriers moved faster than public messengers. Letters arrived days earlier. News traveled before markets adjusted. That advantage changed everything. Because knowing first doesn't predict the future, it reduces uncertainty. Then war arrived. Trade routes collapsed. Borders hardened. Gold stopped moving. Governments needed money urgently, not next month, but now. Old financial structures froze under pressure. Coins piled up. Ledgers stalled. Trust evaporated. But the network still moved. Information continued flowing. Couriers crossed damaged terrain. Decisions were made while others were still waiting. Speed didn't create power, it created reliability. Instead of relying only on gold, a new idea took shape. Paper promises replaced heavy metal. Bonds connected distant cities. Trust traveled faster than coins ever could. This was a new banking model, not centralized, not dominant, distributed, balanced, and resilient. Governments didn't choose it because it was powerful. They chose it because it worked. Over time, the model spread. Other banks copied it. Institutions adopted it. Rules became standardized. And slowly, finance stopped being visible. The system moved beneath the surface, quietly supporting trade, growth, and stability. The family itself faded into history, but the structure remained. That's the part most people misunderstand. They didn't control the world. They changed how the world handled money. By proving that information matters more than force, that systems outlast individuals, and that trust compounds faster than gold. What truly changed the world wasn't a family. It was a system that understood how money, information, and time interact. And once the world learned that lesson, finance was never the same again.